Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable noise reduction in your Edifier True Wireless Sound 330. Okay, so we got two different methods. The first one, we can make it straight in the application. When you don't know how to connect them to the app, just simply watch the tutorial on our YouTube channel. So at the first you have to put them to the ears, but you can also cover the sensor right here, and after that you will be able to switch from the ambient sound to the noise reduction. And that's the first way. The second way, it's to use the gesture. So we have to tap right here 2 times. Let's make it one more time. Okay, well, let's maybe we have to cover this one. Yeah, so this working on the left ear, but you have to click 2 times right here, and as you can see, you can turn off the ambient sound and the noise reduction, and then activate noise reduction or switch to the ambient sound. And if it's not working in your case, you have to go for the settings. So tap on the right upper corner, go for the control settings, and then pick, for example, the left one, and you can switch the function. So you can go for the mode selection. As you can see, that's how it looks in my case. So double tap to switch modes. Simple like that. You can just tap on this Edifier logo and you will be able to switch. That's all for this video. If you find this helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.